Okay children, we are continuing with exercise 6.3 question number 5. Question number 5 says for each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number. छोटे से छोटा whole number find out करिए. By which should it be multiplied to get as a perfect square, and also find the square root of that particular number. So like for example, there is a number, suppose this is a number, okay. Now how much should you multiply to it to make it a perfect square? Okay, how is that possible? We know that 4 3s is 12, yes, and 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Now if you put this under root, what will happen? 2 will come out, but what about 3? 3 will remain inside only. So what is the smallest whole number by which you multiply so that this number becomes a perfect square? So if you multiply here by 3, then this also comes out. Yes, got it? So that means you multiply this by 3 because you are multiplying here also by 3, correct? So 2 3s comes out to be 6 and this comes out to be 36. So the square root of 36 is 6, okay? Or you can say the smallest number that you multiply to 12 to make this a perfect square is 3. So this is what we have to do. We have to find the prime factorization. We have to see किसका जोड़ा नहीं बन रहा है. जिसका जोड़ा नहीं बन रहा है उसको हमको क्या करना है? नंबर दे के जोड़ा बनाना है. First one is 252. Since it's a even number, it will go by 2. Last digit is even. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 6 are. Still it will go by 2. 6 are, 3s are. Now it will go by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1s are, and 3 7s are. Now you see, you have got the prime factorization of 252. You put it under root. So can you see any number who is not having a pair? Yes. So if you multiply 7, if you multiply this particular number by 7, this will also get a pair. Yes. So what is the smallest whole number that if you multiply to the question so that it becomes a perfect square? That the smallest whole number is 7. Okay, so you can write here 7 doesn't or does not, whatever you can write. Here 7 does not have a pair. Hence, to make 252 a perfect square, we will multiply it by 7. Okay, so this becomes what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay, and here also 252, क्योंकि हम उधर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हमको इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो हम पता लगाएंगे कि ये क्या नंबर होना चाहिए था एक्चुअली. 2 7s are 14, 7 5s are 35 36, 7 2s are 14, 15 16 17. So this number was actually 1764, and here we take out the pair. This comes out, this comes out, and this comes out. So 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. We have to find the square root also of that particular number. So this is the square root 42, and who is the answer? Answer is this 7. Here, this is your answer. Smallest whole number is 7. If you multiply it by 7, you are going to get your answer. Now 180, second one. We start with the second question. We start with. So we find the prime factorization of 180. Last digit is even, so it will go by 2. Again by 2. Now by 3. So what is the prime factorization of 180? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So you see here, they all have pairs. This has pair, this has pair. Only 5 doesn't have a pair. So what is the smallest number? The smallest number is 5. Hence, the smallest whole number is 5. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. If you put it under root, what comes out? 2, 3 and 5. 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30. So the square root will be 30 if you multiply this by 5. Okay, and the answer is what? 5. So it's the shortcut. ठीक है, हम इन दो तरीकों से कर सकते हैं. पहला वाला first one and this is the second one. Any convey you can use. Now we start with the third one. We start with third one is 1008. We find the prime factorization of 1008. Since it's a even number, it will go by 2. 1s are 10, 2s are. Still it will go by 2. 2, 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 2, 6 are 12. Still it will go by 2. 6 are 12, 4s are 2, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. So this is the prime factorization. I am writing it here. So already it is coming in pair. I made any mistake or what? 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, ouch. 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6 here. From here it will go like this. 3 2s are 1s are, 3 7s are 7 1s are. So here we write so they all are in pair, only 7 is not in pair. So the smallest number is 7. So hence when we multiply by 7, one 2 comes out, another 2 comes out, 3 comes out, 7 comes out. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So 84 will be the square root of the number when we multiply this smallest whole number. That number will be a perfect square. 2028. Next, we start with the fourth one. Again, it is an even number. So we start with 2. 5s are 10. 0 and 7. Now it will go by 3 because 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3. 8s are 6 are 18. 9s are 13. 13s are 169 and 13 ones are 13. So here we got the pairs. When we write the prime factorization, this is one number and this is one number. So who is alone? 3. That means by what you should multiply? You should multiply this factorization by 3 to make it a perfect square. Hence, the smallest number is 3. Therefore, when you put it under root, because you need to find out the square root also. So you get something like this. You bring them out of the root. 2 3s are 6. 13 into 6, I think 78 or something. 78. Just 78. The square root will be 78. This completes the fourth one. This was the fourth one, yes. Now we have to start the fifth one, 1458. Again we start with 2 because last digit is even. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now it will go by 3. 3 2s are 6. 4s are 12, 9. Again it will go by 3 2s are 6, 4s are 8s are 24, 27, 9, here. We write the pairs. Now we see who's alone here. 2 is alone, so the smallest number is what? 2. So when we multiply by 2, what do we get? Let's see. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. So 2, 3, 3, 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 got double, 7 7, 14. Let's do it here, then I'll again make a mistake. 7 2s are 14, 54, it was correct, 54. Okay, so the answer is what? 2, and after that when we find the square root, it is 54. So this completes the fifth one, then we go to the sixth one. Let's start. are 6, 8 are 16, 4. 2 ones are 2, 9s are 18, 2. 9s are 18, 6. 2, 4s are 8, 8s are 16, 24, 12, 6, 3. Let's write the pairs. So when we make the pairs, who is alone? 3. That means we need one more 3. So the smallest whole number that we need is 3. Therefore, when we put this under the root, we get something like this. We take out the numbers from the root by making the pairs. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3, I think 48. Yes, it is 48. So this completes question number 5. Let's start question number 6 now. Question number 6. For each of the following number, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number obtained. ये बिल्कुल इसका उल्टा है. हम ये पता लगा रहे थे अभी तक कि कौन सा नंबर है जिसका जोड़ा नहीं है, जिससे हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो जोड़ा मिल जाएगा. Yes, and we get a perfect square. And that was for question 5. Question 6 says what is the smallest whole number which you will remove. Okay, if you will remove, the number will be set as a perfect square here. So if you divide by 3, what happens? Number comes out to be as whole number, perfect square. Yes, you will get the pairs. So by what number should you divide here? You should divide by 3. Got it? So the same method you have to follow, only here instead of multiplying with 1 3, we will be dividing with the number who is not having the pair. So this we start with question number 6 now. The first question is again 252. The same one how we had in question number 5. First one was 252. Here also we have 252. So 252. So do you remember the pairs of 252? It was something like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So if you divide by 7, yes, if you remove this 7, what will happen? You will get a perfect square. Yes or no? So simply we divide both sides by 7. Correct? And here you will get 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 9s are 36. Okay? Because यही बच रहा है. Correct? So you remove that 7. Now 36 का root क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is, you take out the pair. 2 3s are 6. So answer is what? Smallest number is what? 7. This is the number. Answer is 7. This is how we are going to do the sum. So this is the first one. Then we start with the second one. 2925. Now the last digit is not even, so we will not start by 2, but we check by 3. It will go by 3. 3 9s are 27, 7s are 21, 5s are 15. Now it will go by 3. Once again, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 5s are 15. It will not go by 3, it will go by 5 now. 6 are 30, 5s are. Then 5 13s are 13, 1s are. So let's see. Let's write the prime factorization. So who doesn't have a pair? 13 doesn't have a pair. So the smallest number by which we will divide will be what? 13. So the smallest number will be 13. या तो आप सीधा ऐसा वाला कर लो या ये लिख लो, जैसी आपकी मर्जी. ओके, सो यू डिवाइड 2925 by 13. 2925 by 13. So what will you get? You will get these numbers. That is 3 3s are 9 and 5 5s are 25. So 9 into 25 you do. 25 into 9. It's a 45. 9 2 is 18. 19 20 21 22. 225. Now root of 225. That is ये वाले नंबर जो बचे कुछ हैं. डिवाइड करने मत बैठ जाना. नो नीड टू डिवाइड एंड चेक. यू डोंट हैव टू डिवाइड. जस्ट रिमूव दिस 3 and this number, okay, and just multiply. Okay, you will get this only. This will be your product. So just multiply and write. Okay, don't waste your time. और अगर नहीं है तो ठीक है, you can divide, no problem. 3 3s are 1 3 will come out, 1 5 will come out. So 3 5s are 15 will be your square root and 13 will be your answer. Actually 13 and 15 both are answer. It is two answers are asked. This completes the second one. We go to the third one now. 396. Third one is 396. Let's solve. It will go start by 2. 2 1s are 2. 9s are 18. 8s are, again it will go by 2. 1s are 4s are 9s are. Now let's check, will it go by 3? No, it will not go by 3. It will not go by 5. Will it go by 7? No, it will not go by 7. Will it go by 7? Will it go by 9? No, it will not go by 9. Then what is the next? 11. 11 ones are 11. That is why it was not going. 2 ones are 2. Now 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 33s are. 3 11s are. 11 ones are. So what number is not having a pair here? That means the smallest number by which we will divide will be what? 11. So the smallest number will be 11. Okay, so you divide 396 by 11. 396 divided by 11. What will be the answer? Here, product. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 9s are 36. So 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. What will come out? 1 2 will come out and 1 3 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 6 are 18. 9 are 13. 13s are 13 ones are. Let's make the pairs. So you can see what is not having a pair? 3 is not having a pair. That means you will divide by 3. So you divide by 3. What do you get? 2 2s are 4 and 13 13s are 169. 169 into 4. 4 9s are 36. 24. 24 is 27. 676. So here what will come? 676. Okay, 676 कैसे? इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करके. So 676 का रूट फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. These are the root. This will be the prime factorization of 676. दोबारा निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. So it is 2 into 13, which gives us 26. So answer is what? 3 and 26. 3 is the number by which we will divide, and 26 will be the square root. So this completes the. कहाँ से किया है मैंने यार? चलो, this is not the sum. तो time waste किया. After 396, it is 2645. Fourth one is 2645. 2645. Let's check, will it go by 3 or not? No. 5s are, 2s are, 9s are. Now let's check by 7. 7s are 49. It will not go by 7. It will not go by 9. Will it go by 11? Will it go by 11? No, it will go by 20. 23 is a 529 and 23 ones are. So let's write the numbers. Now, by which number we should divide? We should divide by 5. So if you divide by 5, you will get 23 into 23, that is 529. So what should come here? 529. So 529 is